Good day, everyone. Welcome back to Teach Me Now. This is your boy Mandla explaining once again quadratic pattern. The reason, guys, I've decided to choose this um question is because I feel like it's of good help to grade 11 since it's a level 5 to 6 type of question. I feel like they need to understand such questions in order for them to actually um write their exams and pass. So without waste of time, guys, let's get down to business. So be patient with me as I'll be explaining. 3.3, a given quadratic pattern, Tn. So Tn is equals to an squared plus bn plus c. Has T2 being equals to T4 equals to 0. And a second difference of 12. Okay, let me explain something quickly. 2a is equals to the second difference. You need to know this. And then 3a plus b equals to the first difference. And then a plus b plus c equals to the first term. We can say the first term, right? So with this information, I feel like we can get somewhere. So in maths, guys, usually whenever they give you a formula or an information, make sure that you use that information. There is a reason why they give you that information. And another thing, the question is already complicated. Stop complicating the question for yourself. Try to simplify as much as possible, guys. So now let's continue. Tn, they said T2 is equal to T4, which is equal to 0. Now let's try to use the information given to us. Let's find T2. T2 in place of n, I'm substituting 2 plus b, 2 plus c, right? But they said T2 is equal to 0. But 2 squared, that's 4. We have 4a plus 2b plus c. That becomes our equation 1, right? We're following the same procedure in finding term 4, which is T4, right? So we have T4 in place of n, we substitute 4 plus b. Now we have 4 there plus c. But now remember, the information said T4 is equals to 0 as well. So that's 0. 4 squared, that's 16a plus 4b plus c, right? So now we have equation 2. So now we need to apply the elimination method. But now if you can check, 16 is greater than 4. And then 4 is greater than 2. So we need to say equate. Let me use a different color. We need to say equation 2 minus equation 1, right? So we have 16a plus 4b plus c, 4a plus 2b plus c. Then the subtraction sign there equals to 0, equals to 0. 16 minus 4, we get 12a. 4 minus 2, that's plus 2b. And then now let me use the different color to show you that I'm canceling c and c, equals to 0, right? So now, guys, let's try to make one of the variables the subjects of the formula. So I've decided to transpose 12 into negative 12a. The reason I'm doing that, guys, I'm avoiding working with fractions because they can be confusing at times. So now we have negative 6a, that's our b, which is negative 6a sharp. But now they said the second difference of 12. So now we said the second difference is equals to 2a. And our second difference is what? Is 12. So which means now we can conclude and say 2a is equals to 12. And then we divide by 2, we divide by 2. Our a is equals to 6. And therefore we can now say, going back to b, b is equals to negative 6a, right? Equals to 6, negative, we substitute 6 there, and then we get negative 36 as our b. But now remember, the formula for quadratic pattern has a, b, as well as c. So we can use either of the equations. You can use equation 1, you can use equation 2. So let me just take equation 1. I feel like equation 1 is quite simpler. So 4a plus 2b plus c. In place of a, now I'm substituting 6 plus 2. In place of b, I'm substituting minus 36 plus c, which is equals to 0. That gives us 24 minus, that gives us minus 72 plus c equals to 0. When we subtract the 2, we get minus 48 plus c, which is equals to 0. We transpose, okay, so that you can see, guys, transpose, so c is equals to 48, right? So now guys, please allow me to actually move a bit so that I can have a space. So now, as for me, we go back to the formula. So Tn now is equals to an squared plus bn plus c, right? Now we're substituting. Tn is equals to 6n squared minus 36n plus 48. But now the question said, determine the value of that term of the pattern. So we're looking for T3. So in place of n, now we're substituting what? We're substituting 3. So we have 3 squared minus 36, 3 plus 48 equals to, and our final answer, we get -6 as our T6. As our T3, sorry about that. This is your boy Mandla from Teach Me Now, signing out.